get the Ras Canly. Like a Tory, you so special. I'm here to work hard, teenage peanut and me dambo. The diva venda there, jingo there, that's why me shasho.
Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Ndingadzina ndikadhiwani duka ndisuhana ndi mwana ndi wa mahongoni ndichikhorazora nepo ni babahone zote zikaditangana ndio mlapfaro arana mungu wasakorota zone, but I think zozino yeah, it's all sorted. So if you don't know this guy, go check him out. Go check him out. Ras Canly. Damn it. Una performance ya zino mwe abako itapa noni ako diyangi kasande session ile ni yabo Rita diyangi unezi artists there for chance to come and perform live. So mende ngoro babone this performance uri uchifi bana bako perform ari kwamba suspiyo ari kwamba bapungo soko pop on stage ari kwamba bana bako mina maifi know your lyrics. So bamlezo re track enda kuyamba ne record perform and track ya itana bomb unlimited. If you 1 in a million kai track ezobaita zone ndizori and a performer name on awan show was divas urgoba kweti I mean udiba track from atomos kama gumon. So I'm going to let you listen to this track. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to let you listen to the track and the video. Check the performance.
Fire man, fire. Yeah, man, we want to make this one. Bomo waneka na how we blaze it up, man. Let's go. Oh yeah, man. Selassie, let me see some love reaction to the sensation. Let me see some love. Go so. Let's go. Selassie.
You see when me light up my sweet, them come blood glass with my You are in a million, baby. For you, I'd rather spend it in a billion. Hold my hand, walk with me. Can you hear me calling? Calling. Can you hear me calling? Calling.
Shall over guide way. It does the pin and nene. You come up with the mind, never promote anybody tidy. The funeral when I made. Kaleriru mone. Baby boom baby. Ndabu wana crazy. Hey, ofaka putu kapel tusi. Pemetamura motawatigo. What? Okamba na libuti. Smile it away na to ajin tuti.
Listen, man, listen.
You are in a million, baby. For you, I'd rather spend it in a billion. Hold my hand, walk with me.
We're really talking about the great music of venda, the great tunes, the great things, the classics. You know what? This is good. Big up to Rita D Entertainment. About great music, I'm talking about perfectionist, I'm talking about someone in it when it comes to music, Aita, who make a show. Or who buzz to Zuma Diva.
Rock it to the left, mambo dancer. You don't care who's watching. Best when me saw you be run out. The road up over in the one so sharp. Keep telling me I am. The God is the 1, 2, 3, hey. The thing guy and the tarap. Machita sabaloni. Suprangai.
No way. Mwana kwa kujozote zote hapo zipo kwa mimi pick up Ras Canly top performance man.
She's the best.
Emmanuel Selassie
Rastafari.
Bless.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Fire burning.
We give thanks, Selector Boy.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Bless, man.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, you know what? This is what I was talking about, about performance, something dope, something that you really want to watch, you know. You enjoy. You're paying for something that is worth it. You know, something that brings memories, man. Yeah? Baby, yeah, man. Like, I'll keep on showing you some of the content you didn't even know it exists. Ori ingaba ihone kala venda, ori ingaba batu bakuizita kala venda. Holande Ras Canly, one of the greatest artists of Vaningi Kala Hayani. Support him, subscribe banka YouTube yawe, follow him on social medias. Nisi hangor neno ranian tevera 0826937124 ndiza WhatsApp kanara ndine maka Twitter Van Radio _nema on Instagram nema wama hunguni. Kazi Facebook is 2 accounts. In Yavana Haisen, Kana Kudesh, and what is the most active one? One about Venda Music and Entertainment. Ras Canly with the Bonera, which if you book on in the mini, this is what we're talking about. Ne, I Husina Nazimwe, about don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Let people know. Uri Venda Lofarazuya Zawu Dusika guy.